Well, here we go. A couple of diesel starts and a couple of pieces of plant that arrived in our yard. First one is a 3-phase 27 kVA genset. Seems quite nice. Only got 600 hours on the clock. Had a new engine put in it. Let's have a quick look inside. It's a Perkins diesel. You can see here, nice and clean. All as it should be. Let's go along to the control panel. Needs a bit of tidying up. Needs a bit of touching up on the paintwork. As you can see, the panel's a little bit scruffy at the moment, but that will be tidied up. So let's have a look at it. Clumsy. There we go. A little preheat. And here we go. All in all, a very nice, quiet generator. Sounds very nice, very healthy, very pleased with that. Thank you.